To take videos with your Pixel phone, open the Camera app. To switch to video mode, at the bottom, tap the video icon. To start recording, tap the shutter button. To stop recording, tap the shutter button again. To watch your video, on the left of the shutter button, tap the video thumbnail. Tap play. To take a selfie video, on the right of the shutter button, tap the switch camera icon. To change the zoom level, tap on the numbered zoom options. Hold and drag your finger over the zoom options to get the right zoom level, or pinch to zoom in and out. To adjust settings, at the bottom left, tap the gear icon. Here, you can adjust settings like flash, video boost, FPS, and resolution. To adjust other settings, tap More. Here you can adjust video stabilization and speech enhancement.